rushing through this broken vessel. You're the calm within the current, hope rising through the storm. You'll never leave me, it doesn't matter what I'm facing.
You can join us back in the building for our Sunday services in person. So you can join us for our morning service at 11 a.m. or our evening service at 6 p.m. And we're all together back in the building. Isn't it great? But you can also, if you're not so comfortable being in the building yet, then you can also join us online through our YouTube page or our Facebook page to join us for our 11 a.m. service. If you are joining us physically though, make sure that you book in online through Church Suite or our website. See you there.
I'm holding on to you, endless mercy. You had every right to leave me. All my sin had left me stranded, but your love has brought me home.
Summer is upon us, guys, and we have got so much exciting stuff happening for kids and young people this summer that you can get involved in and come and join in with. We've got some activities, some will be happening here at Hickman Park and some elsewhere, but you can find out all the details of what we've got going on our website, xlchurch.org.uk/summer. So have a look on there, get booked in for some stuff, and we'll have a great summer together.
I'm holding on to you. 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 I'm holding on to you.
So this year's Devoted Conference is supporting the charity The Homeless Period in Wolverhampton. So if you have any donations you can supply of sanitary towels, soap, deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste, wipes, any toiletries at all, then be sure to bring them in and donate them to the box in the foyer.
I've seen you move the mountains, and I believe I'll see you do it again. You made a way where there was no way, and I believe I'll see you do it again. I'll see you do it. I'll see you do it. I'll see you do it again. You made a way, you made a way, you do it again. I'll see you do it. I'll see you do it. I'll see you do it again. You made a way, you made a way, you do it again.
Well, doesn't that look exciting, ladies? That one is for you. So make sure that you remember to book by the end of this month to get your discounted ticket prices for the conference in October. So you can do that online.
I'm holding on to you. 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 I'm holding on.
So don't forget, this Wednesday is prayer and Bible study, so make sure you join us on Wednesday at 7:30 online. And that's all for XL News. So have a great week, guys, and remember, it's coming home.